Hello, my dear friends. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel Guruji Education Wala. Today we are going to see that how we are going to separate the values in a cell in different cells. Okay, you have seen that we have a data. Okay, that data is stored in a single column only. Okay, the data contains A, B, C, D, E. That next line contains name, subject, score 1, score 2, result. Okay, now I want to separate all that data in a separate columns so that it can be readable format and you can do the different types of operation and analysis on that data. Okay, so for doing that, first we have to select the first cells. Okay, so here we have select the first cells in each row. Then we have to you have to go to the data tab. Okay, data is mentioned on the ribbon. Click on it. In data tab, you have to find out the data tools which is given over here. In this data tools, we have to click on text to columns. Okay, we are going to convert the single text values into different columns. So click on it. So one window is appeared over here. So here these values are given over here. So convert text to columns wizard. Step 1 is given here. In step 1, the text wizard has determined that your data is fixed width. So first you have to click on the delimited. Okay, our data is not of a fixed length, so we are going to click on delimited. So the option says that characters such as commas or tabs separate each field. So here we have seen that a single line, the single line is separated to the each field. So we are going to select the first option, that is delimited, then click on next. Okay, here we can see that the different options are available. This screen lets you set the delimiter your data contains. You can see how your text is affected in the preview window. So if you are going to select this text, so the output will be shown in this text. So first tab is there. Okay, so we are going to select the tab and the other options is there because a single line is not mentioned here. So that's why we are going to click on others and we are going to enter the single line over here with the help of keyboard. Okay, so with the help of keyboard we are mentioning over here without line this data is shown like this, but we don't want the data is should be shown like this. So that's why we are entering single line, so data will be shown like this. Okay, so I am going to click on next. Okay, so this will be shown in the output and I am going to click on the finish. So that's why our data is separated in different columns. So here you can see that the output, that our data is separated in different columns. Okay, so it will be very easy for us to perform different operation onto the data, and we can uh, apply the different functions as well on this data. So I hope this will be clear in your mind and you will understand it better. So thank you so much. Please do like, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.